Hello, friends. Good evening.
Good evening.
Good
So,
evening, dear.
welcome to the at another session of our Incredible Review program. So we are already into the unleash part of it, having completed the mind part, decision part. Now we are entering to the cleaning the environment part, where we will be knowing how to create our own happiness in the life. So now there is a word called buzz movement. So buzz movement is just nothing that uh, we enjoy what we do or what we naturally do. So creating happiness around us is called the buzz movement. So we need to have the buzz movement so in our life so that we can take good decisions. Our state of mind will be good. We can take the good decisions. So happiness is the prerequisite for having the success. It's not that when I have the success I will become happy. So it should be if I am happy, then I will be successful. So it is of utmost importance to create our own buzz moments in our life. So buzz movements can be anything, need not be expensive. So like that, I have so many buzz moments I create myself on daily basis. So I like dancing, I like doing workouts in the morning, or I like meditation, or reading some books, or listening to audio tapes. These are all the buzz moments where we get inspired, and our state of mind will be very good so that we can always take good decision in our life. So likewise, in this session also we have a buzz moment session. So it is only to identify or to be aware of what are our buzz moment activities, and also add more so that as and when we require a buzz moment in our life, we can create without resorting to some other things. So now even here in this a process is given, and in this process also it is also clearly explained what is called perfect formula. The perfect formula is nothing but a combination of our skills, love, and passion that makes us very unique in the universe, and that will also uh, help us to find out our buzz moments. So now here there is an activity in page number 103 if you look at, where it talks about the buzz moments. So the activities about answering a set of questions in order to identify your activities. What are all your buzz moments? And also to work even deeper on them by answering another set of questions. There are two sets of questions. One is to identify, and another one is to maximize your buzz moments. These are the things. So now, this is the outcome of this buzz moment session is to gain clarity on what kind of activities make our buzz moments, so that we can access them as and we want, as and when we want in the future. So second step is how to, first one is to know our buzz moment. Second step is to maximize our buzz moments so that we will be, when we are more happy, we can take more happy decisions, and the results will be good. So in that process, so there are certain questions given here about the what are all the buzz moments. So like say, what do you love doing? So in fact, I love doing meditation in the morning, workouts in the morning, something like that. So naturally, I love doing those things as a routine for me. So what activities do you find easy and are really good at? I feel myself really good at doing yogasanas. I keep doing them. In the same way, you also can find out your buzz moments. By the way, can I ask some questions, Mr. Abhishek?
Yes,
What is your buzz moment?
my buzz moment, I will have to think because I have not yet done the exercise. Normally, I love doing exercises. I used to love skipping, playing outdoor games, running.
So what do you get out of it by doing so?
feel more energetic, de-stress.
Okay. Then
De-stress.
yeah, they create a great impact on us, and they can make us more focused towards our issues, and they help us to take good decisions for getting good results also. So, so, okay, good. And Ellen, can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
So, can you tell me what are your best buzz moments?
I mean, like, I don't know, like, I'm thinking about all those things when you're asking Abhishek, what should I do? Maybe after going through this step 1 and step 2, I may be identifying my thing. But I wanted to ask you something. Is playing cards a buzz moment?
Of course, it's a buzz moment, unless you burn your fingers.
Because once I start playing cards, I forget time.
Okay.
So
okay,
then
there were days that I started at 9 o'clock in the night and we continued up to 5 o'clock in the morning next day.
That's why it can be your buzz moment unless you burn your fingers.
I think
and you're addicted to.
Yeah, yes, Amit, you were saying something.
I wanted to tell. I wanted to say that anything can be buzz moment. See, in my case, sir, I love long drive. So I can drive my vehicle non-stop for 1 day, 2 days also. If I'm not supposed, I can only drive.
Okay.
So that is why I enjoy driving.
Okay.
So morning I have done wherein I have done almost 35 hours driving at one stretch.
Oh, great. Mm-hmm. Okay.
So I think that can
yes. Buzz moment can be of anything which will give you some sort of motivation or a good state of mind, so that you feel happy and you can take better decisions. So my buzz moment is taking motivational classes to the students. So sometimes I take for about 4 hours, 3 to 4 hours non-stop. I forget my time also. So, but I never get tired. I always enjoy it, talking to children or teachers on that phone. So it can be anything. Yeah. So Mr. Amit, can I ask you something? Can you tell me your buzz moments?
My buzz moments are, sir, my happy moments are driving.
Okay.
Long drive. Long drive.
So you enjoy driving. Good.
I enjoy driving.
So now I will give you some time for about 20 minutes or so. So you can go through the questions given. About 9 questions are there, and also other 7 questions in the second part. You can go through the questions and identify your buzz moments, and also identify how to maximize your buzz moments. So in another half an hour time, we'll come back to you and debrief on them. Thank you for giving me the opportunity. Thank you. Hello friends, now we are back to debrief the buzz moments part of it. Now I hope everybody has done your buzz moments, and Amit, can you share your buzz moments?
Yes, sir. My buzz moments which I have come here is cooking, painting, and traveling.
Oh, great. Okay. Then how do you maximize your buzz moments?
See, I love cooking. I love painting. I love maximize in sense maximum. What do you mean by maximize?
Having more number of creating more number of buzz moments per day. So like you can create about almost one buzz moment per 1 hour. So like that you can have about 1.5 hour buzz moment time, so that you will always feel happy.
Yeah. So I've got many, but identified, pinpointed. I've got these 3 because I love to spend time with my daughter. I love to dance. I love to have enjoyment with dance floors, anything. But if you, as per the question, I think these 3 match to all the questions whichever is asked.
Okay.
But I have got many. I can. Hmm.
Okay, good. I too spend about 2 to 3 hours time per day on these buzz moments and enjoying the time. Okay, thank you for
Wonderful.
sharing. So,
Thank you.
Mr. Abhishek, can you share me your buzz moments?
Yeah,
So,
so
so what, like, no, question number 3. What activities do you do where time just disappears? Like when I used to go for horse riding, time used to disappear just like that. What activities do you find that where time disappeared?
okay, so looking at this question number 3, there have been 2, 3 things which I love doing and where the time disappears. Is one is participating in social service activities,
Okay, good.
organizing camps and doing some activities for the poor and needy people. The second
That is
thing is
really good.
traveling in irrespective where it is. It could be any village
Yeah, we
side
enjoy
or
the
from
new.
the outside. Yeah, not in the city. Obviously, not in the city. It is
You
outside.
enjoy the nature.
Yeah, enjoy the
Okay.
nature. So whenever I visit coastal Andhra or some North Indian places where it is more of agricultural paddy fields or whatever, so I just forget time. I just wherever there is nature, I get lost. I
So in
enjoy doing anything and everything. So I can relate to one incident of your native place where you belong to. We were there for
yeah, there's a lot.
yeah, we were.
Acha, okay,
I was there for an NCC camp, and we went.
okay,
One day was half day was given off, and we went
okay.
to the fields, and we found a
Mhm.
pond where there were buffaloes in the pond, and
Yeah, okay.
we could not resist ourselves. We could not stop ourselves from getting into the pond, bathing the
Okay.
buffaloes and bathing ourselves.
Yeah. In fact, no. I too, being in this part of our AP, as you rightly said, lot of greenery all around. We enjoy
Yeah.
it, and also in my childhood, I used to graze take the buffaloes for grazing, and as you rightly said, we also used to go to the pond and bathe along with
And,
all
and,
these
and
buffaloes.
in that on that day we were given around 4 hours break and we never realized that we spent the whole day we never reported back.
Yeah, in fact, I too enjoy those moments. Really, really enjoyable things where time disappears just like that.
Yeah.
Thank you for giving this answer.
Yeah, so
So,
apart from these 2 things, there is another thing which is watching thriller movies. So if it is thriller
okay,
web series or movies, I can
okay,
I can finish off the entire series on a single day in one stretch, one after the other.
My goodness.
okay. It's really great. So, how many, how much time you cater for creating? I mean, enjoying buzzwords per day, something like that.
Nothing specific yet, so it is not fixed. Some days, yes, whenever I am having free time, I spend more time doing it, and some days I do not do anything for the buzz moment. So that's
I
where
think,
probably
I
the
think,
graph is up and down.
I, I suggest you need to have a timetable, like a calendar thing,
Need to have
where
a
you create
timetable,
so
like
many
another thing.
buzz moments.
Where you create
Like, I create about 2 to 3 hours per day, starting from 5 o'clock to evening 9 o'clock. So it's good having such kind of calendar or a timetable so that your productivity will increase and your focus and your energy levels also will definitely increase. So thank you, Abhishek. And finally, Mr. Ellen, can I ask you some questions on this?
Sir. Yeah.
So, uh, so that question is question number 7 in page 104.
Yeah.
So, what are you really good at? List everything you can think of, no matter how irrelevant it may
how
seem,
irrelevant it can seem.
when you first think about it. What are you really good at?
I'm very good at teaching mathematics. I'm very good at counseling people. I'm very good at documentation. I'm very really good at when playing cards. I'm really good at
So many things.
talking about. Analyzing the horoscopes of people and discussing on that. I mean, without ending on that. Without ending on that, I can talk as many hours as you want.
I think that kind of inclination of mind has brought you into this coaching this thing part. Do you agree with me?
I don't know. Maybe yes. Maybe.
Yeah, I think you want to learn more and you transfer more number of people.
That's
So
true.
that's
That's
a good thing. That's a good thing. So dear friends, thank you all of you for sharing your thoughts on this, on your buzz moments. So next we have a lesson on creating a mastermind group, which will also help us grow or support us to grow, hand holding us. So mastermind group is nothing but a group of people who are driven or having desire to grow and with a bent of mind to help each other. So such a group is very much essential for our growth. So I'll take you to that lesson in the next session. Thank you for this opportunity. Thank you.